Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Cloud AI Services Deep Dive. Scaling your AI with AWS, Azure, and GCP. Imagine you want to build a super cool robot that can understand what people say. Building all the parts yourself. The ears for listening, the brain for understanding, is incredibly hard and takes ages. Cloud AI services are like renting those advanced robot parts. Pre-built ears and brains. From big tech companies like Amazon, AWS, Microsoft, Azure, and Google, GCP. As a developer, this means you can add powerful AI features to your apps without becoming an AI expert yourself. It's like having a team of AI scientists working for you instantly. Why would you, a developer, use these rented AI parts? It's all about efficiency and capability. 1. Speed. Instead of spending months building an AI to recognize faces, you can use an existing service and add face recognition to your app in minutes or hours. It's like using pre-made Lego bricks instead of molding your own. 2. Savings. Training an AI model needs powerful computers and lots of data, which costs a fortune. Cloud AI lets you pay only for what you use, a few cents per image analyzed, not millions for a supercomputer. 3. Superpowers. You get access to cutting-edge AI developed by thousands of experts. Your app can suddenly see, hear, understand, and even talk, giving it superpowers you couldn't build alone. Think of cloud AI services as a developer's toolbox, with different specialized tools for different jobs. You pick the right tool for your app's specific need. Vision AI. Tools that help your app see and understand images, videos, e.g., identifying objects, faces, text in pictures. Speech AI. Tools for hearing, converting spoken words to text, and speaking, converting text to lifelike speech. Language AI. Tools for understanding and generating human language, e.g., summarizing text, translating, analyzing sentiment. Recommendation AI. Tools that suggest things to users, like movies on Netflix or products on Amazon. Let's look at Amazon Web Services. AWS. One cool service is Amazon Recognition. What it does, it's like giving your app eyes. You send it an image, and it can tell you what's in it: a dog, a car, a person. It can even detect emotions in faces or recognize celebrities. Developer's view. As a developer, you write a few lines of code, using an API, a way for your program to talk to Recognition. To upload an image, Recognition processes it in the cloud and sends back a JSON message with all the detected objects and information. It's that simple to add powerful image analysis to your app. Now to Microsoft Azure. Their Azure Computer Vision service is similar to Recognition but with its own unique strengths. What it does, it can analyze images to identify objects, text, and even generate a descriptive caption for an image. Imagine an app for visually impaired people that can describe a photo to them. Developer's view. You, as a developer, would use Azure's SDK, Software Development Kit, a set of pre-written code helpers, to send your image to the computer vision service. The service does the heavy lifting, and your app receives structured data back, telling it, for example, this image shows a cat sitting on a keyboard. You just integrate this data into your app's logic. Finally, Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Their Cloud Vision AI is another powerhouse for image understanding. What it does, it offers a wide range of features, from detecting explicit content to recognizing famous landmarks, reading text in various languages, OCR, and even identifying product logos. Developer's view. For a developer, you'd make a simple API call, like sending a text message to the service. With your image data, Google's massive infrastructure then processes it, and you get back incredibly detailed information. For instance, if you upload a picture of the Eiffel Tower, it can tell you it's the Eiffel Tower, where it is, and even provide a link to its Wikipedia page. So, with all these amazing options, how do you choose? Existing infrastructure. If your company already uses AWS for its websites, sticking with Azure services often makes sense for easier integration. Specific features. Each cloud has unique strengths. One might be better at medical image analysis, another at real-time speech translation. Research which one fits your specific need best. Cost and performance. Compare pricing models and benchmark performance for your use case. Sometimes a few cents difference per call can add up. Developer experience. Which platforms, tools, and documentation do you find easiest to work with? Try them out. Don't be intimidated. The beauty of Cloud AI is that you don't need a PhD in AI to use it. How to start? Go to the AWS, Azure, or GCP website. Many offer free tiers or credits to get started. Find an API. Look for APIs, application programming interfaces, or SDKs, software development kits, for services like Vision AI or text-to-speech. Read the docs. They have clear examples showing you how to send data and receive results using languages like Python, JavaScript, or Java. Experiment. Try sending a picture of your cat to a Vision API and see what it tells you. That's how you learn and start building truly smart applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.